Is that a hood or what is that?
I guess for the King's vehicle or something like that, heading to Vegas.
That's awesome, dude. Who's all going to that?
Mr. Subby and his friend, Dan and 4 of his friends.
Goalie Dan.
Yeah, Goalie Dan. And Juan and Nathan and Juan's dad from here. And my friend and his ex. So we got a group of 23 people, 22 of which are Kings fans.
That's a fun group, dude.
It's gonna be awesome. We got 3 new.
Please tell me they didn't pay him over 6.8.
See, they probably won't release the terms, but
yeah.
You know what? Screw him.
Ahead of you, ahead of you.
funny how they all the fans are turned against them.
You know what? The money hungry.
Nothing?
I had my eyes closed on it.
There's no true captain on this team. I would say something.
Because I kind of would best rather play the game.
Yeah.
Come on!
Hey, who's that chick out there? Played here before?
So tired of skating back and forth like that.
Yeah, dude, I don't think they have any subs, do they? Oh, they have one.
He's gonna get tired. Look at that, he skates all the way back. Don't do that.
Did I go in?
That one in?
You know what? That's the way you start. You warmed up. You're gonna play the game. Again, that's the way you warmed up.
There you go, there you go.
There's so many videos, Max, you can't get away from it.
Yeah.
I mean, just accept it already.
No, he's good. Yeah. Can you?
You're by yourself, by yourself.
Lucky.
There you go. Why did I say he was by himself? He was with somebody. Cross, cross, cross.
Nice. Throw it in, throw it in.
Interference, something? Nothing?
Come on, stop. Get back, get back. Push him out, push him out.
Out.
Play D, someone get back.
He's a bunching up, man.
There you go, good work. Come on, Matthew. Come on.
Michael, he'll get pissed.
I know, he doesn't have his stick down. Get paid. Go, 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 go.
Oh, this one doesn't take warm-up serious.
I'll pick him up. Come on, come on, come on. The stick's out.
You got it. Mark. Move your feet.
Come on, come on.
Go here, Mark. Down there. Go here, Mark. Go here. Good, Steve.
Josh, come on. My bad, my bad. Get used to it. Come out of there. Go, 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 go.
You got it.
On net, on net.
Come on, come on, come on, go back.
Go forward. Go back, get ready. Go.
One.
Look at Adrian up here, Steve.
2 on 1, 2 on 1. Drop back, Adrian.
Forwards, wear themselves out chasing us. Guys all over the place. Hey Mark, we gotta start double teaming that D. He'll pass it off if we're too strong. Here you go, Eric, keep with him.
Nice body.
Go, play a puck.
Good job, good work. Okay. Go there.
Shoot!
Shoot it. Oh. Good job, Adrian. Come back, come back. Back check, back check, back check. Stop him up, Danny.
It's all you.
Same board. Hey, you guys gotta talk to him.
Start talking, guys.
Body, Adrian.
Adrian, get in there. Go to the middle. Go to the middle, Adrian.
That's a hold, come on.
That's, yeah.
One hand up.
Interference.
Hold, Brett. Look high, Adrian.
Point up.
No, cross.
You gotta cross. Come back, Adrian. Come back.
Talk to him, Bri. He doesn't know where you're at.
Start talking, guys.
Block it.
Good work. Way to get back.
Down him, Adrian. Good. Hang on.
Give it to him. Cool it. A little extra there.
Interference.
Come on, Eric.
Why is he here, Ralph?
I know, but just come down, bro.
Coincidental, 4 on 4.
Come on!
Yeah, they're both out.
Pick the score up. Get him in.
Rules are arbitrary.
Yeah, at least he responded. Some guys don't say anything. Coincidental, so it comes out.
Talk, come on!
Cross!
Cut it up!
Gotta cross!
Your pot.
One on you.
Good job. Come out of there.
There you go.
Both of you there.
Go across, go across.
Good. Nobody in center. Come on.
Keep it in. There you go.
Good job.
Pressure it.
One coming.
On hard.
Other way.
Nice job.
Go, 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 go.
Good job, Steve.
Get kicked out. You'll end up getting a bunch of penalties.
Because everybody is sort of asleep at the start here.
Once you get wound up like that, you won't stop and you'll get kicked out.
Come on. Stop. Other side.
Nice pass.
Go get it, boy.
Play.
You got time, you got time. Walk it in a little bit.
Take time over it.
One time, Mark. Come on now.
Stand him again.
Get this board. Oh man, they're both down.
Have it. Hit it. Try.
That stupid puck didn't make it around the back. Make sure you put your wing in your spot.
Got it.
So, if Mark pitches in, like one of your D, come to the middle. If what's your D, cover the middle.
Got it.
Good job, Matt. Go, Danny.
Come on, Danny.
Oh man.
Look around. Good job. Go, Byron.
He's on the same board, Brian.
Board it.
One on. Chip it ahead.
He's with you. He's with you. You got time. You got time. You got time.
Look back, Eric.
Back. Got back.
Good. Good.
Stay with it.
Hurry back.
Get on back.
Get in, you guys.
They got a number.
Who did?
Oh my God.
Razor, cut it in. The same reflection that was yours. Cut it in. He's not going to shoot it up. Oh, yeah? Ready?
There you go. Go. You got room.
One behind you. One behind you.
Go, Eric.
Good hustle, E. Keep working, E. Keep working.
Push him.
There you go.
Get in front.
Good job, B. Get up, B. Come on now.
Brian on that one.
But if you know this game, you stuff his foot out and stop.
He's skating hard, man. Second period, you got him.
Fucking good it, son.
Play our game.
Get on the board, somebody! Oh man.
Oh my God!
Leave the man open, come on!
Oh jeez.
I know, that was fucked up. Come on, goalie, come on! Go, Mark.
2-on-1, 2-on-1.
You wait till, bring it home. Good job. Right. Good. Long pass.
Keep that pressure.
You okay, right? Don't worry about it, dude. Huh?
Going to the lefty.
Dude, no one's talking, no one's passing.
Yeah, man.
It's horrible.
I mean, he shouldn't have given up that rebound, but
Go, go, go! You got room!
he was skating in the middle.
With the shot!
High. Adrian, I mean,
Go to middle!
in front, Adrian. Double him.
Go to center!
Get off it. Now in the middle.
You know what they're doing? They just rotate right in the middle and then they wait for the pass right up the middle and shoot it.
Waste it, man. Get him, Adrian.
They got 4 on one side. Come on.
Get in there, Adrian. You gotta get him.
Hey,
Help him out! Help him out!
he can't be skating by himself, fellas. Come on now.
There you go, there you go. What's this? Yeah, wait. Call that! Yeah, call that! I don't think it matters at this point.
He charged it.
Behind you. Good job. Someone in the middle.
Well, I didn't come to
Clear.
Put it on early and get back. We're short.
Good, gentlemen. Fuck around no more. Don't go.
Good job, E.
Keep playing hard.
Way to go, way to go, way to go.
Keep working, E.
Pressure. Force that pressure.
30 seconds. Come on. Hold up high. There you go. You got time. Stay here. Go back. Go back.
There you go. That's it.
Fire.
Is that the first?
First shot.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
All right, go back, go back, go back. It's coming, it's coming.
What the hell, dude?
I know, you're out here. That's Alex's call anyways.
Ready to call anything.
There you go.
Oh, baby. Here you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Wow.
All hustle right there.
Very nice. Good goal. Good job, Eric.
Good job, Danny. Talk to each other. Come on now. Mark center. Mark's the center.
Ah!
Don't stop.
Get on there, boy.
There you go. You gotta step up on it. You got time. One coming soft.
Come on. Get your pay, buddy. Go, go, 2-1. 2-1.
Good job, Danny.
Somebody get that. Come on, somebody on!
Say hi, Mark.
What's up, Pop?
Now board, now board.
By yourself, by yourself, by yourself.
Go in, go in, go in! Back. Come on, Brian, wheel!
Go, go!
Where? I didn't answer it to my skates. My feet are hurting. Go, Adrian! That's yours! In front!
Eric's in front!
My pass. Here he comes.
You got time, you got time.
Hey!
Spread out, guys, spread out. You got time, E.
Every time.
Careful, guys.
Good job.
There you go.
Got numbers.
Three.
You got Mark on your right. Come on, pass it.
Come on, Eric.
Pass the puck.
Fucking black hole. Take a look. Take a look.
Hey, you're not Edwin. Pass the puck.
Oh, man.
That's the white team.
There you go. That's it.
Come on, turn. You got to cross. Pass the Mark.
Nice.
Down back.
You got time.
Take a look.
Sooner. Yeah, there you go.
They changed D. D.
Back in.
Go with them. Go center, E. Go center, Eric.
Good game, Adrian. Nice. Bring that in.
Go with him, Adrian.
Get a shot.
Hey, they might not have said anything to you, Eric, but take a quick look. There was a 3-on-1. I don't think they said anything, but.
Make it quick. Good ball. Come on.
Go back up on him.
You got time. By yourself. One coming soft. Round.
Watch this middle, Steve.
All right, let's go. Leave the puck, come on.
Nice.
There you go, man. Good save. Go. Come on, guys. We need goals.
Good hit, Steve.
Get on him.
Still there. Shoot, Brian. Watch middle, Danny.
Watch the cross. Come on, man. Get that pad on the ground, man. Get those passes. I'm not going to say. Come on!
Good, Danny.
Nice shot, Danny. Go to the middle.
There you go. Up top.
Nine on the pass! Follow the play! Come on!
The ringer show off. Good deal on that.
Feet.
Stick up, Titus. Stick up. There you go. Good job, Danny. Nice save.
Good save.
You don't have any, but
Keep working through it, man. It's rough out there.
Everything's going the opposite direction. I'm going one way, the puck's going the other. Isn't it 5-1?
you can't go in here. You guys gotta sit out there. Jump in the top. Okay, sit right there.
Round, E. Round.
Get back.
There we go. Cross, Adrian.
Adrian, cross!
Oh, man.
Put it back.
Okay, you got time.
Say that our problem is we don't pass enough.
Yeah, we're not passing at all. We're passing, but we're passing 30 feet in front. Or to them.
Yeah, that's not all his fault.
It's not, but he's definitely not on.
Yeah.
Just play it out and finish it up.
Yeah, this is only the second game. Just keep playing hard.
At least 3.
You got time.
That was good. Dump it low. There you go. Do some talking. Get center. No, he ain't gonna pass. You gotta yell at him, dude. He's had a couple chances.
He escaped with his head there. Okay, you can make one move, but you can't make 5.
Go out on him. Get back on D, guys.
Step him up.
It works. Look at this, George.
There you go.
Skate it.
Turn bird.
You gotta go. There you go. That's it. Yeah.
Hey,
Good work, guys. Good work. There you go. You're gonna stick with it.
Hey, how you doing this crap, man? Now 6-1.
yeah.
6-2. Four more, we'll do it.
Man, keep holding the pass. You can play. Make it come to you.
You wouldn't have made that first goal. Oh, fuck no, I wouldn't have.
No, come on, let's do another one.
Exactly where you were going.
Hey, Ed, the whole team here.
Go back.
The whole team's here.
Good puck. One hard. One hard, 2
Well,
hard.
hopefully everybody shows up.
Far side, Mark.
No, I know they're missing a couple of guys.
Is everybody all here, Dougie? Or what?
I'm one guy still. I was trying to find out if he's going to make it back this season, actually.
Did you call Robin?
Come
Nick?
on.
I called Rob. And Rob's
Come
going
on,
to
let's
school,
stick
I guess.
down.
Oh, right.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
Oh.
Why not?
I didn't bother with Nick because Nick told me last season that he was.
Aquí atrás.
Drop in the back. There you go.
Got time, boy. Good job. Let's
That's a
go.
nice pass.
1-on-1. Be on that, Steve. Come on.
What's going on, Dan? Doing good.
Nice. You're even, though.
Center. Go. Play.
Let him get to you, man. Keep your cool.
Good, Mark. Ain't no fucking interference on that, you see me?
Come on, keep playing.
Fucking $5 an hour, buddy.
Good girl. Finish.
Dude.
My way over there, too. Yeah. I was skating.
Was that interference right there when I batted the puck away from him and he blocked me?
You know what they're doing is their off arm is grabbing you guys.
I don't know which way it's running on. Come on. Either way, it's not right. So it's not fair.
In front, Adrian. Put it on. We still have to ram their goalie.
Oh, yeah.
We still owe their goalie.
Definitely be in it.
Come on, Adrian. Keep on this side.
Cross, Mark. Hey, good idea, Mark. Hey, way to work, Mark. Get up high, bud.
It's not a big. You know what throws up one?
It's still there, still there.
It's just going to take a little while. Number, man.
Billy has. Emily has.
Ford.
Cross. Look up, Eric.
Good, Derek.
Back when Frank cared about something.
Oh, call that one. Call that one.
I'm going to win like this. Fucking hey.
Dude, who's trading it?
Good, Brian.
Tim, can you hold the puck?
Perfect. Stay back, Mark. Stay back, Mark.
You got time for 3 more goals. Come on.
Get it all, star.
Go!
Push. Good.
Oh, come on. Oh, I forgot we're in a power play.
We're on a kill.
Come on, Mark. Stay, Mark.
Nice save, Matt.
Good job.
Oh, well.
PK still, minute left.
I'm fucking hassling right now. All the pucks. I heard Cypress. Come on, let's go, team. Come on.
That's when it was Art. When Art ran it.
We loved it. We loved it there when Art.
I played there. When Art had his heart attack.
Move up, Brian. If you move up, move up, Brian.
Moving the skates. Moving the skates.
Push him out, Danny.
Straight down the street. I grew up.
Nice slide.
Some guys just skating around and nothing.
That's slide.
But I hear you guys got it.
Up, Mark, up.
Go back with it. Go back with it.
Ah. Hey, nice look, Mark.
Even.
God, he was just a couple seconds.
It was 3 seconds out.
Point. Point.
Come on!
Got boards.
Door.
Same.
The door.
Yeah, there you go.
That door.
Cross.
Go, go, go!
Get him, Eric. Get it.
You're like 2 seconds early, dude. He would have had a breakaway though.
Oh, really?
Same board. You got time.
Minutes, come on. Another goal, baby.
Good. Get him, Eric.
Good job, E. Stay with it.
In the head.
Come on! Let's take that! Good job, good job. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Again, again.
Pee.
I'll get on Tuesday. Gotta go. That's boring.
Peace.
Just the same. That's what it is. Unfun league. Oh, Papa.
Heads up.
Well, he was not necessarily because they would be good. My team, you know, that's what I got. That was
That was a good goal. Yeah, that was a good goal.
No, they're not.
So if he was on my team, you guys might have lost.